Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. I'm your science teacher and my name is Miss Rabia. Today we will do chapter number 4 and 5 of Health Education book. Open page number 35. Firstly, you will write your name, class and date. And the chapter name is No More Mosquitoes. And the question is follow the story in the comic strip below. In this story, a conversation between two friends which are going on a trip. In the first picture, Harold is saying to Lamb, "Oh no, I forgot to bring my mosquito repellent." Repellent means substance that repels mosquitoes. In the second picture, Lamb giving him his repellent and saying, "Here you may use mine." In the third picture, Harold is saying to Lamb, "Thanks, Lamb. I really do not like mosquitoes. They may be small, but their bites cause me to itch so badly." In the fourth picture, Lamb is questioning to Harold, "Did you know some mosquitoes only bite in the day while others bite only at night?" In the fifth picture, Lamb is giving a surprised expression and saying, "Is that so? How interesting." In the sixth picture, Lamb is telling, "I cannot remember what they are called. Let us check if out after this camp." After the camp, Harold and Lamb went to read up more about mosquitoes. They learned that the Aedes mosquito mostly bites in the day, whereas the Anopheles mosquito bites at night. Harold and Lamb decided to each prepare a report to share what they have learned with the other super friends. Help them complete their reports.